Ibang level na to global warming
Sobra
na
talaga.
nangyayari.
And one of the reason why we're
Yes.
talking about this kasi we also wanna, if you're a homeowners, talagang naapektuhan ka rin kasi.
Saan ang galing yung tubig na yun?
Yun nga,
Umulan.
Umulan lang.
Eh, teka muna, bakit uulan in summertime?
Iya nga eh. Kaya nga we're feeling this weird,
Glow mga bata
Tsaka ang
namatay,
bilis.
di ba?
sobrang bilis ng dalo ng tubig at ang taas. Talagang walang time talaga mag-warn din yung city kasi they weren't expecting with the short period of time ng ulan, ganun kabilis. Naramdaman namin yung 1989 na yun. Other earthquakes happened pero it wasn't as strong as the 1989 but it was scary. Yeah.
Yes.
So hindi ko alam kasi parang kung merong disaster mangyayari, anong mas nakakatakot? Earthquake or flood, di ba?
Or fire.
Or fire, di ba? Parang taon-taon na to, nag-iiba na siya. But what do we do as a homeowners? Mag-usapan natin yan.
Hello, everyone. This is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
And welcome to our
Episode
episode 82 of Bahay Pinoy sa Tate.
Yes.
Hello, Alvin.
Hello.
Kumusta ka na?
Mabuti naman. Thank you so much.
Naku, August na tayo.
Sobra August na.
Pasukan na ng mga
Pasukan
bata.
na.
Yes.
At talaga sinasabi ko siya, ang mainit ngayon.
Oo nga,
Sobrang
hindi mo ba
init
napapansin?
Oo.
August, it's like triple digit dito sa Sacramento.
Sa amin sa Brentwood, grabe din.
Alam mo,
Sobrang
hindi ka nga makalabas. Alam mo ba, napansin ko, slow ang open house. Yung mga tao ayaw lumabas dahil sa sobrang init.
Totoo yan. Kaya nga, sinasabi ko sa'yo na nag-open house ako sa mga team mo.
Sa listing. Oo.
Nag-iisip kami ba't walang tao? Kasi nga, ang init sa labas.
Parang napapaso yung balat
Oo,
mo.
sabi ko nga, baka dapat mag-open na sa gabi. Para hindi
We
gaano
could
mainit,
do
di ba?
twilight
Kasi sobrang
open
init
house.
talaga. Between
Super.
11 to... And we're talking, pag sinabi kasing mainit,
Kasagsagan ng kainitan.
And
1 to 4 ang
we're
open
talking
house.
about 97 degrees, 98 degrees.
Dito triple.
Dito triple.
Triple
And
digit.
remember, nasa Las Vegas lang ako about a week and a half ago for family
Oh,
reunion,
how
di ba?
was it?
It was okay, pero grabe, 115 kasi.
Oh
Elizabeth.
my goodness.
Hindi ka
Huwag ka nang
makalabas.
lalabas.
Hindi ka makalabas.
Hindi mo maidilat ang mata mo sa init.
Sobrang init. Kaya nga, enjoy naman kasi nakita namin yung mga family naman kasi
Correct.
family reunion ni Lydia. Pero wala ka talaga mapuntahan dahil sobrang init.
Imagine kung pumunta ka pa doon sa Hoover Dam.
Oh, yun
Ay,
pa.
tako.
Hindi ako makakatiisan.
Tostado ka na doon.
Pero ito yung isang disaster na I feel like very weird lang. Di ba?
Oo
Yung
nga.
flooding sa Texas. Diba?
Ay, oo nga. Grabe doon. Talagang grabe na ngayon. Ibang level na to global warming
Sobra
na
talaga.
nangyayari.
And one of the reason why we're
Yes.
talking about this kasi we also wanna, if you're a homeowners, talagang naapektuhan ka rin kasi. Di ba?
Hindi lang yon because of all this natural disaster that's happening. It's hurting our pocketbooks kasi nga tumataas ang insurance.
Oo. May mga insurance tayo sa flood insurance, earthquake insurance,
Hazard insurance.
fire insurance. Lahat ng insurance nakakabit na sa bahay.
Yuli.
Ang problema dito sa California, and I wouldn't say it's a problem, is that
Fire lang naman.
Oo.
Yun lang naman ang parang matindi dito eh.
Kaya nga yung fire tsaka earthquake, may konting earthquake. Pero fire
hopefully
talaga,
Pero yung let's talk about other like state.
Oo.
Yung nangyari sa Texas.
Texas, grabe yun.
Imagine in
Ang
an
bilis.
hour.
Oo. Daig pang Pilipinas, ha?
At saka wala man warning.
Walang warning.
Okay, yun ang hindi ko maintindihan. Napakalaking state ang Texas.
As in talagang, tsaka ano siya, patag
Flat,
siya.
di ba?
Oo,
Flat.
patag siya, di ba?
I mean, saan ang galing yung tubig na yun?
Yun nga,
Umulan.
Umulan lang.
Eh, teka muna, bakit uulan in summertime?
Iya nga eh. Kaya nga we're feeling this weird
Global warming.
Now, again,
Unpredictable.
I'm seeing a lot of different social media inputs, like maybe it's the sign, whatever. You know what I mean, right? There's a lot. Pero let's talk about
Let's focus yung
Let's-
kasi
y-
yung mga taong mga nasalanta tsaka mga bata
Tsaka ang
namatay,
bilis.
di ba?
sobrang bilis ng dalo ng tubig at ang taas. Talagang walang time talaga mag-warn din yung city kasi they weren't expecting with the short period of time ng ulan, ganun kabilis
Hindi.
mag-flood.
Okay, bakit hindi nila parang pinlano yan disaster recovery? yung tubig, saan ba talaga pupunta pag umulan ng ganyan? Where does the water go? Di ba dapat may puntahan
Dapat
yan?
merong sewer na pwedeng mag-take nung di ba?
Or it goes to like, may kine-collect mo na yung tubig katulad dito sa El Grove and then it gets flushed.
I don't know about Texas, of course, but I'm sure they have sewer that supposedly could take water pag nag-overflow. Pag may ulan.
Yeah, saan nila kinokolekta?
Pero understand this nga. Remember,
sa river it was on a river.
Yeah, but remember that the sewer was made years back na iba yung climate noon tsaka ngayon eh. Diba? We're seeing much more, I wouldn't say harsh, but a little bit more medyo ang init, sobrang mainit, ang ulan, pag umulan, sobrang lakas ng ulan.
Yeah.
Now we're seeing this also in back east.
I mean, in New York and New Jersey, nakita mo my goodness, yung subway.
Yes. Ganun kabilis, di ba? Right?
Oh my goodness.
I mean, kaya nga, what are we seeing? So, part of it, global warming is true and real. Nandiyan na yan. Nakikita na natin tong grabing mga weather changes natin, right? Heat, grabe na rin ang heat natin, right?
Yes.
I mean, lately lang, California tayo, right? Few weeks ago or even 3 weeks ago, we were at init natin, like over 100 na rin, almost.
Hindi na nga ako namamatay na nga lahat ng halaman ko kaya ngayon.
Yun na nga. Ang air condition namin 24 hours. Sus Mariosep.
Sa sobrang init, talagang oh my goodness.
I mean, it is part of our life now. Nagbabago talaga siya. I would say parang taon-taon na to, nag-iiba na siya. But what do we do as a homeowners? Pag-usapan natin 'yan. Okay?
Yes.
To avoid this kind of disaster sometimes. What do we need to have as a homeowners?
Unang-una sa lahat,
diba?
Okay, it's an act of God. Yung weather,
we can't control that.
We cannot control that,
but
diba?
what we control is how do we protect as a homeowners yung
Yes.
bahay natin. Like, I'm gonna give you an example. I know, isang kaibigan ko, yung air condition niya, kainitan a week and a half ago. Nasira. Okay? Walang warranty.
Oh
walang
my God. Sino ba kasi realtor niya?
Hindi ko. Pero sabi niya, nagbayad daw siya ng almost 14,000 to replace the whole thing.
Yes. Okay, so first and foremost,
diba?
as a homeowner, really, yung maintenance po ng bahay
importante
ninyo.
yan.
Alam naman natin, pwede po natin ipa-tune up ang ating air conditioning. It costs you maybe less than $100 to see, if it's functioning well, kung may freon ba yan, or things that, you need to do to prevent it from breaking, di ba?
Oo, correct.
Second is, when you purchase your home, may tinatawag na home warranty.
Correct.
So, i-renew po ninyo. Normally, the first year, myself, nini-negotiate ko na bayaran ng seller. But after that first year, kayo na po ang bahala nun. I-renew nyo siya.
Let's be clear. Okay?
Yes.
The home warranty insurance and the regular home insurance are totally different.
Yeah,
guys.
home insurance is for the hazard.
Yes.
Like sunog, baha, things like that. Pero home warranty is like, let's say nasira yung dishwasher mo,
refrigerator,
yung air conditioning mo, or let's
appliances.
Yeah, yung garage opener, things like that. Home warranty po yun. So make sure that you renew. And of course, review your home insurance coverage with your insurance agent. Kasi kailangan make sure na fully protected ba kayo if you need to up your deductible or, make your deductible lower. Make sure na fully covered.
Correct.
And then, of course, syempre, yung solar nakakatulong if you own a solar, di ba?
Correct. Now, let's talk about insurance. Regular hazard insurance.
Yes.
Okay. So, sa regular hazard insurance, ano ba mga cover nito? Does it cover the flood insurance? If you're in a flood zone, does it cover fire insurance?
Okay. I'm not really an expert topic on when it comes to insurance, but we know may tinatawag ng mga supplemental insurance. Like, they will cover the hazard, which is yung fire, theft, water intrusion, things like that. But flood, that's a separate policy. So you need to pay for that separately.
Yeah.
Same thing with earthquake insurance. That's a separate policy.
Correct.
So marami na kasi ngayon dahil sa ang dami-daming nangyari especially here in California from the last big fire sa Southern California. Some companies here in California, umaalis na, lumalayas na sila dito sa California, hindi na sila nag-i-insure. So, I mean, anong gagawin mo? Kasi required, ayaw mo naman i-call yung note mo. That's when the state, which is the California Fair Plan, yun yung nagtitake over. Pero of course, they're not cheap. They're
Correct.
expensive.
Medyo expensive din.
Yes.
Because what happened is, if your home is actually, a few things. Kasi ang bahay natin, or if you buy a home, if it's on a flood zone, you need to get a flood zone insurance.
Yes, yeah. The lender actually will
let
require
you know.
Yes.
We'll let you know. We will let you know. You don't need it, but if you're in a flood zone area, especially if
like
you're near
Natomas.
the bay,
Natomas area.
any river, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to get that. Now, on the earthquake side naman, alam naman natin sa fault line natin sa Hayward, anywhere in that Bay
San
area.
Francisco
I
area.
know for a fact, I've helped a lot of clients. They do have to get an earthquake insurance.
Nandito ka ba noon nung nangyari yun?
Nandito ako noon. Nasa school pa ako noon. Wala ako. Nandun ako mismo sa John Adams.
Hindi ka na stuck sa Bay Bridge?
Hindi ako na-stuck sa Bay Bridge kasi sa San Francisco na kami nakatira. Doon kami nakatira sa San Francisco. Pero
So yung bahay nyo nasira?
hindi nasira yung apartment pa lang kami noon. Pero walang nasira. Pero I remember looking at the window kasi nasa school ako noon. Alam mo naman ng San Francisco, John Adams kasi kami. Medyo ganun yung mga road, di ba? May ups and downs. I remember seeing the road like talagang gumaganon talaga.
Wow!
Oo, yeah.
Talagang parang lumalangoy.
Yeah, we live in, I used to live in Dolores in Mission.
Dolores.
So alam mo naman,
yung park,
di
ba?
Yung park. So ganun yung mga so we were looking at the road, yung street. Talagang nakikita mo gumaganon siya.
Ilang minutes mong nasubaybayan yan?
Parang forever eh.
Yung
nangyari yun eh. Pero
anong ginagawa mo at that time?
I was actually studying. Nag-aaral ako.
Tapos, anong naramdaman mo?
Tapos talagang gumaganon. Sobrang lakas talaga, gumaganon talaga.
So, anong ginawa mo?
So, tinignan ko muna yung bintana. Like, baka may dumadaan na malaking truck dito or something. Na nakita ko yung street mismo. Kasi nakikita mo yung hill eh.
Oo nga.
Kasi pag ganun, nakikita ko yung gumagalaw. Putya, earthquake na to, sabi ko.
Mag-isa ka?
Kasama ko yung parents ko.
So, anong ginawa? Nagdak kayo under the table?
Under the table kami. Tapos patay lahat ng ilaw. Siyempre, nawala lahat ng ilaw. Pero it was very scary kasi it only lasted for like maybe 10 seconds or maybe
10 seconds
or 15, yeah. Pero it was so strong. Talagang hindi ka talaga makakatayo sa walang balance. Mahirapan ka mag-balance.
Wow.
Ganun kalupit. And then when you see...
That was in the 90s, right?
Yeah. And when you see the foundation of your home, gumaganyan na, that's scary. Tsaka yung salamin, it was very surreal experience that I have. Hindi mo nabutan yun?
Hindi, nasa Pilipinas
Nasa
pa ako
Pilipinas
noon.
ka pa
Dumating ako dito 1990. Nangyari yan, 1989 yata.
Yes. That was
89?
That was the big one. 89, oo.
Yeah.
That was very scary. That was during also, a World Series between Oakland A's tsaka San Francisco.
Wow!
Yeah.
So, nandun sila.
Oo, naglalaro sila. Nag-post yung laro. World Series mismo yun.
Wow!
So that was a very... kaya marami rin tao na sa bahay na nanonood, di ba?
Is that a Sunday or Saturday?
I forgot what day is that, but it was
probably a weekend.
It was a weekday. It was a weekday. It was a weekday. Yeah.
Okay.
So it was very scary. But I don't know. Like, I mean, as far as earthquake, I think when it comes to San Francisco, I mean, grabe yung talagang naramdaman namin yun 1989 na yun. Other earthquakes happened pero it wasn't as strong as the 1989, but it was scary. Yeah.
Yes.
So hindi ko alam kasi parang kung merong disaster mangyayari, anong mas nakakatakot? Earthquake or flood, di ba?
Or fire.
Or fire, di ba? Parang they're all disaster pero parang
basta takot sa fire.
takot ka sa fire.
Kasi ang earthquake at least makakadak ako.
Oo, di ba?
Di ba?
Oo. Sa fire kasi pag fire pagka
Ang init eh, hindi ka makahinga.
Oo,
Kasi
talagang
suffocate ka.
parang mas madaling
ang problema
parang mas madaling
ang problema naman sa flood, hindi ako marunong lumangoy.
Hindi ka
At least ikaw marunong.
So sa lahat ng disaster, talagang hindi ka pwede, parang gano'n.
Ganun lang.
Hindi. Pero anyway, the reason why we're talking about this kasi with all this
everything that's happening
with the weather that we have right now, kasi like I said, if you're a homeowner, naaapektuhan ka rin talaga.
Yeah,
Diba?
okay. Paano naman yung mga umalis ng California?
Oo.
Nagsipuntahan sa Texas.
Texas, oo.
At saka nagsipuntahan sa Florida, yung hurricane
Oh,
doon.
yung hurricane doon, oo. Wala ka nga. Tsaka yung hurricane doon ngayon kasi remember, my sister-in-law
Yeah.
used to live in Chicago.
Ngayon.
Ang mga bahay sa Chicago, ang talagang by rules, kailangan may basement di ba?
Oo nga,
Walang
may
second floor. Kaya nga basement
What?
Yeah, but most of the house there, right?
Bakit?
Kasi nga pag may hurricane, pag may second floor ka, wala kang,
Tatangayin.
tatangayin. Kaya normally, yung instead of a second floor, puro mga, hindi mo napapansin when you go to back,
Yeah.
puro mga basement.
Okay. So ano ngayon? Kumusta naman sa Chicago?
Yun nga, ang sinasabi naman nila, unang-una,
Yes.
ang snow, the way storm snow, palakas ng palakas.
Yeah.
Now,
Okay.
when it comes to hurricane, palaki din ng palaki. Dati, category 3-4, ngayon nagpa-5 na
Wow.
Diba?
Lalo na sa Florida, alam mo
Oo.
ba, napakamahal ng insurance.
Sobrang mahal ang insurance
I mean,
doon.
nag-triple.
Sobrang
Talagang
Sobrang mahal.
OMG. I
Yeah.
mean,
Parang California din ng Florida, pero mas mahal pa ang Florida.
yeah. So what's gonna happen with all these people that move out of California and then they're experiencing all kinds of craziness? So,
And I don't...
do they want to come back to California?
Well, honestly, since my sister-in-law used to be in Chicago, used to live in Chicago, right?
Yeah.
A lot of the family members are moving to California na, maski mahal.
Wow.
But they're
Well,
just
why
sick.
is that?
Unang-una, they're just sick and tired of the snowstorm all the time.
Hindi.
Yun ang
Hindi, tsaka
sinasabi
hindi
nila.
lang yun. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, if you're in California, basta wag ka lang tumira sa may bundok.
Oo.
Then you're okay.
Oh, you're okay, oo.
Hindi ka maano ng
Oh,
fire.
wag malapit sa dagat or sa mga river, di ba? Mga ganyan, oo.
Yeah. I mean, okay pa rin naman. But
Oo.
kasi ang pinaka-main problem talaga ng California, fire.
Fire.
Basta wag ka dun sa mga hills or bundok, you're good.
Sa maraming puno.
Di ba?
Oo.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, yun narinig ko sa Chicago lang to, ha? Okay.
Yes.
So, I can tell you by friends and also by friends of my sister-in-law,
Yeah.
Nance, marami na rin taga doon na lumilipat na rito kasi nga
Kahit
they were just-
mahal ang California.
they were just sick and tired of the snow.
Okay,
Every time
may mga
nangyayari-
ibang parts naman ng state na pwede silang lumipat na walang di nag-snow.
Yeah,
Bakit California?
Pero let's just say, sa part kasi ng state na yun, nagiging grabe na rin kasi yung snowstorm Dinadaanan talaga yun. Chicago, Midwest ang tawag nila, di ba? Right?
Yeah, oo.
Now, I'm not saying California is okay to move in kasi mahal din talaga yung bahay dito.
I mean,
right?
mahal, pero you know what, honestly.
Pero dalawa
okay,
lang ang disaster natin dito at least, di ba?
Ano?
Wala tayong hurricane.
Wala tayong
Tama,
hurricane.
right?
Wala tayong snow.
Wala tayong snow, right? Then we do have earthquake which is minsan bibihira lang.
Maybe every 100
Correct,
years.
correct. Wala naman tayong storm. Minsan lang yung storm natin
Minsan
dito.
lang.
Right? Ang pinakagrabe lang talaga, like you said, is the fire.
Exactly.
Yun lang ang problema natin.
Basta
Ito yung
wag ka lang
pinakamalaki.
titira sa may bundok.
Yun. Pero pagdating sa Midwest, ang dami mong problema. May hurricane,
May snow.
may snow,
Yeah.
meron ding storm.
Yeah.
Nandyan lahat, di ba?
Yes.
Right?
Pero honestly, okay, kasi ilang years ka na nakatira dito sa California?
All my life.
Like how many years?
So we're talking 45 years.
Okay,
Hello?
ako 1990, so 35 years,
35
right?
years.
Pero I never thought of moving out of state. Alam mo kung bakit?
Why?
Kasi I know California is like, could be crazy kasi they call us liberals.
Everything's expensive.
It's expensive.
That's what they're saying.
Pero you get what you paid for. Kasi
Yeah.
parang feel at home ka talaga dito.
Yeah.
Yung talagang fino-foster nila kahit sino ka pa.
Yeah.
Na hindi mo ba napapansin na leading tayo when it comes to innovation?
Correct.
Kasi napaka-open-minded natin na
Correct.
all
Oo.
possibility we embrace.
Yes.
Pero
yes.
yung sa ibang part ng America or state, kapag different ka, it's like you don't belong.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
they condemn you or they don't really
Yeah.
accept
Yeah.
you.
Well, yeah.
Di ba? Hindi mo napapansin
Correct,
yun?
correct.
Kasi, that's not how we do it here. This is how,
Correct. Yeah.
di ba?
Parang yung California, basically, parang it's a separate country pero sa state pero
Hindi,
parang may sarili
ano
tayong
siya, parang you feel so much freedom,
Yeah.
I think. That's
Correct.
how I would
Correct.
say it.
Yeah.
Kasi you're not gonna be judged.
Yeah.
I mean, kahit
we're so
anong-
diversified.
Very,
Diversified.
very, very diverse.
Yeah.
At saka hindi ka huhusgahan. Di ba? Think about it.
Yeah.
If you are like probably in Alabama,
Oo. Okay.
right?
Oo.
Di ba? Think about it.
Oo, pag ganito.
Kung may kulay ka,
Oo.
di ba? Or you have different way of thinking.
Makikita mo talaga yung
yes.
separation mo. Yung separation mo
Yes.
as a person.
O yung paniniwala mo even sa religion,
Yeah.
right?
Oo. Okay.
Huhusgahan ka talaga eh. Pero dito, we accept you for who you are kahit anong uri ka pa.
Yeah, that's why people wants to live in California because of that liberty, because of that freedom,
Yes.
because of that exception. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. Yun.
Parang naging melting pot ang California for every
Exactly.
races. Yan ang
Diba?
nangyari talaga.
Think about
Totoo.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, at saka anong tawag dito? Talagang different way of living.
Yeah.
I mean, New York City is okay too.
Yeah.
Pero they are not as diverse or I would say innovative compared sa California.
Correct. Totoo yan.
I mean, okay, lalo na to sabihin ko sa'yo.
Okay.
Di ba? Chinap-chap na ng presidente natin ng Department of Education sa US.
That's right.
Okay.
Pero dito hindi tinamaan.
Okay, kasi we're not really dependent,
Correct,
diba?
correct.
Tayo pa nga ang nagbibigay sa federal
correct,
in billions.
We don't take fundings from federal.
Yes, okay,
yeah.
compared to Texas.
Parang ang sariling in California din consider parang isang bansa rin to parang
We
your own
are
country,
the fourth largest gross domestic product in the world.
GPA wise too as well.
And we are
correct,
just a state. We're
Yeah,
not
yun.
even a country,
Correct,
right?
correct.
So think about it. So di chinap-chap na yung
Oh.
Department of Education.
Oh.
Think about yung future, ha?
Oh.
So kung ang US ibinigay na sa state, sa 50 state, o ito na, ikaw na in charge
Bahala
sa
ka na.
education mo kung paanong gagawin mo,
Yeah.
whatever.
Oh.
Imagine, California ang in charge sa education. Kung number one tayo sa education and a lot of good schools and Ivy League and a lot of inventors,
Innovations nandito lahat.
innovations dito nangyayari.
Oo.
Imagine kung anong mangyayari. We're probably gonna have the best school system,
Yeah.
the best
In the world.
entrepreneur,
Yeah.
the best
Yeah.
science or whatever. I mean,
Well,
think
that's-
about it.
That's what we have. We have the Silicon Valley right now, right?
Yeah.
In California. I mean, all the big companies that, like,
Okay.
Facebook, Apple.
Yeah,
all,
Tesla.
Dyan lahat nang gagaling.
Okay,
right?
so
Yeah.
think about this.
Okay.
Isipin mo 20 years from now,
Oh.
state of California na ang in charge sa education.
Okay.
Di paganda-ganda ng paganda.
Oh.
Tayong
Nauna.
nauuna sa Nobel Prize,
Yeah.
lahat ng mga inventions
Yes.
nandito.
Yeah.
Do you think what's gonna happen sa population natin kung tayo ang pinakamagandang eskwelahan?
Yeah.
Sa atin ang gagaling lahat ng mga innovation
Yeah.
at lahat ng mga invention sa mundo.
Well, automatic. People wants to be here. People, they're gonna go.
Yes,
This will be the melting pot.
Well, the thing
yeah,
is, they don't care if they have to pay just to move to California so
yeah.
that their children could have good school, better education, better future.
Yeah.
And do you think
Opportunities-wise, if you're an innovator.
and what do you think is gonna happen to real estate?
Yeah, of course.
Tingnan mo, ha?
Ganun lang talaga
I mean,
yun.
20 years
Yeah.
from now, in a local market, why do families move to San Ramon
Okay.
or they move to Elk Grove?
Yeah.
Why? Because of the school.
Because of the school. Number one is the school.
Yeah.
The school talaga.
So,
parating
what
reason
if
yan.
pagdating naman sa state, dahil state na, wala na wala na ang US.
Correct.
Ganun din.
Yeah.
People will move to California because of the school.
Because what we have to offer. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, good topic, Elizabeth,
Yes.
is because why do you think the state of California are giving down payment assistance that to invest sa mga buyers natin, right?
Correct.
Yung 20%, the dream for all, di ba?
Yes.
20% yun, binibigyan ng state yun, pero you have to pay it back, di ba? If you sell the property. Why do you think they're investing in that? Because they believe that the real estate market here in California will never crash.
Napaka-solid talaga.
Napaka-solid because they know that people will gonna keep
Hindi,
coming and
at
supply,
At
demand.
saka maraming trabaho.
And that their job is
You know,
correct.
I
People
mean,
wants to
think
be-
about it.
Yeah.
Even artificial intelligence
Dito
sa
na,
atin,
ito na.
dito
na.
nanggaling, di
Dito
ba?
na,
Sa
oo.
San Francisco, think
Ito
about
na.
it.
Oo, ito na.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, think about it. What's gonna be the future
Yeah.
will hold like 20 years
Yeah.
from now.
Elizabeth, I used to go to Elk Grove 10, 15 years ago. I'm sorry. I used to come here and I said, well, this is flat, hot. I don't want to be here. Right?
Nothing.
look at it now.
Yes.
And it's so much growth.
Correct.
So much growth, and tells you one thing, not because of people are coming from the Bay Area, but people are really moving in California who's staying in Sacramento.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
From the other state, nakikita na natin yan.
Correct. Oo.
And this is, if you're talking about 20 years, I can just imagine.
Yeah,
right?
imagine how it's gonna be.
It'll be,
Yeah.
I don't know. Can you imagine Elk Grove or Sacramento within the next 20 years?
I mean, right
to be
now,
honest, right?
we're
Yeah.
approaching 200,000 population, Elk Grove, California.
Diba? Ganun
Okay?
kabilis.
I
Right?
mean, we are like the suburb of Sacramento.
And people are going in this side for more, big companies are also moving
yes,
here.
Correct, correct.
Pero again, at the end of the day, like I said, with that kind of growth, with that kind of again opportunity to come here in California, syempre may problema din tayo minsan. Sometimes you cannot.
Parang growing pains.
Minsan hindi mo pwedeng, you can, like I said, sometimes there's a limit.
Correct.
Diba? Hindi naman pwedeng, kasi we can only take so much.
Correct.
Diba?
Yes, oo nga.
We can only take so much. And dun din nahihirapan pag sinasabi natin as taxpayer.
Oo
tayo.
nga. Yes,
Diba?
sinabi.
Diba?
Pero at the end of the day,
Yeah.
I'm okay
I'm
to
okay
pay
with
the
that. Oo.
California
Yeah.
price
Yeah.
because I'm proud to be Californians.
Yeah.
I know sometimes we're kind of unpopular on the way we think.
Yeah.
I'm proud to be Californians because this is where I want to be
Yeah.
and I love it here.
Yes.
Ikaw, what about you?
I love it here. California is I'm a California dude. I'm a Frisco boy, San Francisco, but now becoming a Sacramento dude. But I love it here. It's just, for me, everything is here.
Yes,
We have the
everything is
perfect weather,
perfect
in
weather.
my own opinion, right?
Yes.
And it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful state. So
Yes.
diversified.
Yeah, and you feel free.
Yeah.
For me,
Yeah.
I mean,
Feel
that's
free.
how
Correct.
I feel.
Yeah.
Yes.
And again, guys, California real estate, it will never crash. We saw that back in 2008 and 2009.
It
But,
did, but it rebounds back.
Yeah, the historical wise, it's still gonna go up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo.
Okay.
Or it would just plateau and then continue to go up.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Again.
So anyway,
Thank
there
you.
you have it.
Yes.
I hope you learned something today.
Yes.
And I hope you guys all tune in, like, subscribe, and share our YouTube channel
Yes.
to everyone that
Join
you
us.
know, to
Yes.
all the Filipino kababayans.
Yes.
Thank you again for tuning in here at
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate.
Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.